Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoin market, the total market cap, and the S&P or the Nasdaq to see what it's going to do after. I hope you have an amazing July 4th holiday weekend. After that, we're going to see what's going to happen to the crypto markets during this July 4th holiday weekend and what's going to happen to stock markets on Tuesday. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into for Bitcoin here, and right now altcoins, there's some in the green. DYDX up 4%, CRV up 2.6%, AVAX 1%, but most still in the red. Bitcoin on the 4 hourly charts, if you want watch the previous video, I showed you where 13,000 and 10,000 are most likely buy targets, big ones for Bitcoin on the bigger time frames. On the 4 hourly, the stochastic is turning to head up. We're trying to head up here. That's a good thing because at the moment we're going between this channel. You can see between 18,800, 22,000, 19,000. But at some point, I think we're going to be breaking down to the downside. Why? Because we have this giant bear flag that's playing out. This is a giant bear flag. We should be moving the distance of this pole. So the target would actually be 12,000. That's where I'd buy a lot of Bitcoin. At the moment, we're still holding within this symmetrical triangle, this smaller one here. You can see it here. And that usually builds pressure and breaks to the direction of the trend, which I'm expecting to be down because at the moment we are trending down. The stochastic, though, is turning to head up. The RSI is also turning to head up, and it's making a bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. We've been coming down, but it's actually heading up. On the hourly, RSI is midway, turning to head up. EMA ribbons, we're coming into the EMA ribbons again. Stochastic RSI heading up strongly. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. Everything actually looking bullish except the volume here. VPVR, we've got a lot of support here at 19,000. So it could be actually holding here. The crypto guru bot is flashing blue. But again, most likely we are going to break to the downside because of symmetrical triangles usually go with the trend. They usually break to the downside. And this is a symmetrical triangle. You can clearly see it forming on the hourly charts, and we are trending to the downside. But before we break to the downside, and I talked about this in the last video, I made this long trade and we went up, we almost hit the take profit. We're still in profits on that trade if you followed that video. And what I think is going to happen is we're going to head up, hit this resistance, and then drop down, break underneath this bear flag, and then either bounce off the bear flag and head to the upside or break underneath it. So that's what I think is going to be happening to Bitcoin. If that breaks, the target will be 18,400. On the 15 minutes, we are also heading up. So again, a little bit of short-term pump towards this 19,500 is what I expect in the next few hours. So I'd be actually going long on Bitcoin for the short term. I would open a long here, stop loss just beneath this line, and take profit just above. There, it's a 1.73 ratio trade, not amazing to be taking. You could actually put the stop loss below the daily and then take less risk. That will give you a 6 ratio trade, risking 43 to make $266 or 1.36%. With 10x leverage, that would be $2,600 of profits. So you need to use high leverage to make this trade actually worth it. That's where I'd open the trade, opening at 19,266, 19,266, stop loss 19,222, very tight stop loss, take profit 19,532. So that's on Bitcoin. Now let's look at Ethereum and all the trades. You can trade where I trade. I use Bybit to be trading. This is in the description of this video. You can see Bitcoin and altcoin trading using Bybit. It's the best exchange in my opinion. It's got the lowest fees. It's one of the fastest exchanges, and it's a big exchange where it's safe. If you use this link, you get a $4,800 bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. You can also watch the Bitcoin and altcoin live tutorial video where I teach you how to do this and how to actually trade and open trades on Bybit, and take the crypto master course. I have 6,500 students plus that are learning all of this from their phones. And we also have a Telegram live alerts group. The link is in the description. This Telegram group now we have in this group 1,852 subscribers, which is already quite a big group after just less than a week. Now let's look at Ethereum. It's got big supports. If we go to the 4 hourly, we have the big support areas at 800 and 400. Those are two big areas of massive support. At the moment, Ethereum seems to be making a giant W formation, which is very bullish actually. The target will be 1,335. And if you followed my video, did it hit the stop? It came very close. It actually hit the stop loss. But where I would open a trade on Ethereum right now is I would be going long on Ethereum, because it looks like it could be doing a big movement. The target would be the base of this symmetrical triangle, this distance here. For a breakout, the target would be the weekly resistance, so taking us to 1,000. I think it would go to 1,232. RSI stochastic is heading up very strongly on the hourly, on the 4 hourly heading up, on the 15 minutes quite overbought, so there'll be a bit of a pullback before it heads up again. But I think Ethereum could be going for a run, so I'd actually go long on Ethereum from here. I would open a long here on Ethereum on the daily support, stop loss underneath 1,042, and the take profit at the top here, breaking out of this W formation. That means Bitcoin would again go to the upwards for a while. And the target on Ethereum, this would be a massive trade, 10.47 ratio trade. So for every $1,000 you risk, you can make $10,470. That's the trade that will open. I'm going to share these in the Telegram. Stop loss will be at the trade will open at 1,058. Stop loss at 1,042. Actually, I would make the trade open down here. Stop loss just underneath, and the take profit at the target. So I'd actually open that trade on Ethereum. Let's see if it actually can, how long it's been since it broke to that upside. 25th, and today is the 3rd, so it never breaks out that much. So I would actually take profits a little closer here, because Ethereum hasn't been going for much of a run. So I'd make the trade open there. I'm going to share this in the Telegram. So the trade would open 1,046, stop loss at 1,028, take profit at 1,117. So that would give us a 4 ratio trade. For every $1,000 we risk, we can get $4,000 of profits. And that Ethereum trade I'm actually going to set now over on Bybit. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can sign up to Bybit. Go down, click on this link, sign up. You get that $4,800 bonus. It will give you this trading software. And then you sign up, you deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can deposit and start trading. You can deposit all of these different currencies. In here, I've got 167,000 US dollars. I've got 4 Bitcoin USDT 55,000, and I'm going to open a trade on Ethereum USDT now. I'll do a $500 trade. It's going to open the trade at that target. So the way you read my trades, the middle line is where it opens, 1,046. So this line is where it opens. This is the stop loss, and that is the top area is the take profit. So take profit at 1,117, stop loss 1,028, opening the trade at 1,046. So opening the trade 1,046, take profit is going to be 1,117, and stop loss will be 1,028. So I'm risking 1,028. Risking $172 to make $678, which is an epic trade. It's 20x leverage long, and I'm going to open the long right now. So again, that trade is now set and it will execute at 1,046, and that was quite a big long. That was a 9 Ethereum long, which is beautiful. And again, the take profit are risking $168 to make $668. That's the trade I'm taking out on Ethereum. Let's look at the total crypto markets to see what it's telling us, and if we're going to actually get a pump here on Ethereum. I'm seeing the same on the hourly for the altcoin markets. It looks like it's forming kind of a bullish formation, symmetrical triangle on the altcoins. Interesting, because that means Bitcoin most likely would go for a run here. Everything is heading up. 4 hourly, everything is heading up. Daily, everything is still, RSI is over. Interesting, we've got a bullish divergence on the RSI as well. I would actually be going long on Bitcoin and Ethereum, so I'll keep those trades open. But again, Ethereum needs to pull back a bit, because in the short term, it can have a pullback. I hope you all have an amazing 4th of July. Again, all those tradings are on Bybit. Sign up down below. Sign up to Bybit to start trading. Those are my thoughts on the market. Join us in the Telegram group, 1,852 people in there. The link to the Telegram group is also down in the description. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru. Got a trade on Ethereum now. Hit the subscribe button. Join 76,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. Don't forget, comment on every video. 5 winners chosen every month. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you, an amazing weekend, amazing 4th of July, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.